to whoever packaged this hair dye. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say I'm a color expert, but...
Incorrect.
Color. Also new. This is the same chair, but I'll get into that in a minute. This is much more colorful than what I had before, and I am very happy about that because honestly, this is what I need. I need the room that I'm working in to look like the inside of my brain. There's a lot going on in here and in here. I feel like it should be reflective, you know? So yeah, I bought a bunch of posters online. Also, some of those flyers you used to see stuck to telephone poles with the neon paper and the bands with the high contrast photos and you get it. Yeah.
So I found some on Google.
And I borrowed them. There's a lot of stuff I wanted to get for this room that it just either doesn't exist anymore or it's really expensive for no reason, so I didn't do that. I did, however, purchase him. I also painted my closet because I watched one too many 1000 videos and convinced myself I also can do murals, which I cannot. So, for now, this is what we're working with. However, I do think, I'm gonna do this again, I do think it would be cool to get a neon sign and stick it in the middle of all the posters and like hide the cord that way. Let me move my arm so I can crappily Photoshop what I'm thinking. Yeah, I think I might do that. Now that that's out of the way, here's what's in the way. I love this chair. Unfortunately, so do my cats. What I want to do is recover it. But I also had another idea. I'm sure if you've participated in the internet at all in the last couple years, you know what an odd body Furby is. And if you don't, they are delightfully disgusting. And I want one / have wanted to make one for a while, but I didn't really have like a clear idea of what I wanted, and I can see the wheels turning in your head and you're getting scared because you know what's about to happen, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I want to. So,
is it a girl?
Is it a boy?
No. Congratulations. Is that
Furby chair.
Whoopee?
Do I staple it to the chair? I don't know if I should make it removable or not. If I just sewed it like this and then tack the bottom, I mean, that's pretty much done. And then theoretically, I could untack it if I ever need to wash it. Did I spray myself directly in the eye with hairspray right before I filmed this?
Yes!
I love this. Every time I come in my craft room, I just look directly at it and I don't know, there's something about it that just makes you want to make weird stuff. I don't know what it could possibly be. I was hoping I would have a lot of leftover fabric, and I did. I've gotten into this phase with my crafting stuff where I actually really like everything that I'm making. Gonna have to make myself one of these now. Damn. And because I was in a crafting mood, I decided to make a couple more things.
Well, did you make anything else?
No, that was it. And I think that's the end of this video. Now, obviously, I'm keeping this, but everything else is going to be available in the shop now. But I will see you guys in the next one. And until then, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you next time.